Michelle Obama, a global icon of dignity, strength, and hope. Her voice has inspired millions across generations, but in a rare moment of controversy, her words were not met with applause. They were met with resolve. At a leadership forum in Geneva, Michelle spoke. But this time, her words sparked a wave. She referenced Ibrahim Traoré, leader of Burkina Faso, and questioned his stance on human rights. The world turned to see how this young African leader would respond. Would he retaliate? Would he remain silent? He did neither. Ibrahim Traoré stood before his people and the world, his voice calm, his message
To Michelle Obama, I thank you, because only those who care speak.
He did not deny. He did not deflect. He reflected. He spoke of rebuilding, of healing, of dignity. He reminded the world, Africa is not a child to be scolded. It is a partner to be respected. Michelle's words sparked a conversation. Traoré's words inspired a continent. This is not just about politics. It's about listening. It's about respecting differences. It's about unity in truth. One spoke, one responded, and all of us were reminded of what true leadership looks like.